Okay, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a nighttime skincare routine using my MediTouch products, which I'm super excited to show you guys. I've been using it for a long time. Their products have literally saved my skin, and I'm going to show you guys my nighttime routine. And yeah, let's just get right into it. But first, let's change into something a little bit more comfortable, seeing as I just got off of work. It's literally 7:32. So let's go ahead and do that smooth transition. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That was a whack transition, but now we're gonna get into our skincare. And tonight we are doing our exfoliating routine. I'm going to show you guys all the products and show you exactly how to use them. Here's just an overview of the products that we're going to be using. Now, after we have a generous amount in our hands and our face is nice and wet, we are going to scrub it up. Oh, my skirt is like super down. My skin feels so good right now. Like, you have no idea. Like, I'm literally washing off the entire day off of my face. All the dirt and the grime from being outside, wearing mask all day. This is like prime time, favorite time of the night. Now we're gonna rinse. So now that it's over our face, we're gonna do a little pat dry. And yes, I'm using a paper towel, I know, sorry. But we're gonna do a little pat dry here. And now we're gonna move on to our next step. Okay, now we're going to use our peel. We're gonna squeeze it on to a little cotton pad or cotton ball, cotton round, whatever you have. Using a little cotton square here, and you're just going to rub this on your face in a circular motion.
This peel is antibacterial. It helps reduce acne breakouts. It exfoliates dead skin cells, reduces oil, blackheads, and it softens acne scars.
We are only going to leave this on our face for 3 to 5 minutes, no more than 5 minutes. I personally do 3 minutes and 30 seconds, sometimes 4 minutes, just depends. Okay, so now I'm gonna set my timer. Now that it's on my face, I'm gonna set my timer for 3 minutes and 30 seconds, just because it says 3 to 5 minutes, so nice in between, I like to say. So we're gonna wait for that. And while we're waiting, I'm just gonna explain, because I don't know if I did already, explain what the face wash actually does. So this face wash is designed to give you a really deep clean and get rid of all of your dead skin cells and really exfoliate the skin without like that harsh feeling on your face, which is one of the things that I really love about this. And it also leaves my face feeling nice and fresh and clean, like I've said before, but like I love. Time is almost up. Time's up. Okay, so now we are going to wash off our peel. And again, we're gonna use our face wash to wash off the peel. And then the next step after that would be our face mask, which I'm super excited about. This makes me feel so relaxed. So let's wash this off. Okay, so now that we have our peel nice and rinsed off, we are now going to do our face mask. I'm so excited!
The Instant Glow Facial Mask helps exfoliate skin, hydrate skin, and helps detoxify, and it helps soothe the skin from redness or excessive dryness.
So now we're going to do our application, and it comes with this wonderful brush. Now you guys get to watch me put this on. So I like to just pour it on the, squeeze it on the brush. Don't know if you're supposed to do it like that, but that's how I do it. And then we're going to apply a thick layer. Not like too thick, but like a thick enough layer to the point where you know it's like coated on your skin. Oh goodness, I'm so happy to use this. Like, you guys have no idea. Like, working is very stressful. I actually need to catch you guys up on my work life and everything that's going on, so why don't we do that in this video. So I am assuming that the last video that you guys seen before this one was the one of me and my family going to Nickelodeon, which was actually a really fun trip that like we did together. And since then I've been working 3 jobs, not 1, not 2, but 3 jobs. And while also trying to balance YouTube, social media, stuff like that, I've been really working a lot, working really hard, you know, post-grad life, trying to, got it on my scarf. You know, just working really hard to make it in the world, I should say. So that is what I've been up to. I guess I should explain my jobs, I guess. If you guys are interested, let me know in the comments down below if you're interested in hearing about my jobs. I mean, obviously I'm gonna tell you guys anyway, but I just thought I would ask. Like, you guys have no idea the amount of content that I've been trying to get while also working and maintaining a social life is like really, really hard. Like, I went out with my friends like a couple weeks ago, and like I was supposed to vlog, never vlogged obviously because you guys would have seen it already. And it's just been really tough trying to balance everything, but I'm trying my absolute hardest. But I mean, it's a part of life. You gotta balance the things that you really love to do and really care about. So that's what I love doing. And I'm super excited just to be doing skincare though, because this is like really nice and therapeutic and relaxing, especially after a long work day and just thinking about things on the brain. But now the only thing I have to think about is doing this face mask and going to bed after this. So super, super duper excited to be here with you guys doing this. And I think that this is a good enough layer covering the skin. And like, I don't know if it shows up on camera, but like the mask is like actually like a nice blue. I don't know if you guys can see that, but on camera it's like, it's white, but it's like a nice, like, it's basically the color of the bottle. Like, let's just say that. But like, this is our layer. Cute, and like, I feel like I should put some here, but like, we're not gonna do all that. Like, it's too much. All right, I feel like you guys are like kind of caught up, but like, if you guys have any more questions, definitely leave them in the comments, and maybe I'll do like a Q&A or like another life update about my life. I feel like it's too early to kind of do another one of those because I just did one, but like, I actually want people to ask me questions this time instead of me just ranting. Like, I want to know what people actually want to know instead of me just talking about nonsense. So like, sound off in the comments, or actually go follow me on Instagram. I'll probably do a poll or like a question thing where you guys can ask me questions on there as well. So like, after you watch this, go to my Instagram, check out all my socials down below. Just gonna plug myself in right now, you know. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Check out all my socials, and also don't forget to check out MediTouch Skincare's socials as well. And no, I really did not just do that. Okay, we're not gonna talk about it, but make sure you guys go check out MediTouch Skincare if you guys would like to get a gorgeous face mask like this. And like, I can literally feel it working on my face right now. Like, these products, you can literally feel them working. Just saying, just throwing that out there, you know. So check it out. I'll put it right here on the screen. Go follow. I'll also have it down below in the description box. Go check out their Instagram, their website. Get you some of these skincare products. Like, wait till you guys see the glow when we're done. Like, not kidding about the glow. Like, Like, you thought my skin was glowing before, wait till after. But I'm gonna leave this on for 15 minutes because it always, you're supposed to leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. I always just leave it on for 15. So we're gonna set our timer for 15 minutes. We'll add the 30 seconds. So I'll see you guys when the time is up. All right, you guys, our timer is up. It is time for us to wash this off of our face, and I feel so relaxed. Can't wait to go to bed. Can't wait to go to bed. Okay, let's just ignore the fat water stain that's on my shirt right now because I can never wash my face and not make a mess. So let's just ignore this. I might just put something here. Or let's just, whatever, I don't care, it's water. Okay, so now we're going to do our last and final step of the night, which makes me sad, but I'm also very happy because my skin feels awesome. So here we have our skin repair moisturizer. We're going to rub it in. And when I tell you, like, literally, I forgot to mention this, but all of these products smell amazing. Hands down amazing. And I know that you guys see the glow coming in, like, yeah. I know that you guys see it. Okay, all I need is some chapstick. Hold on, be right. All right, got my chapstick. All right, and we are done for the night. Again, ignore this water stain on my shirt. Let's just, I don't even know. My skin feels absolutely amazing. The glow, it feels so fresh and so clean. My face feels so much better than it did when I first walked in the house from work. So I'm so pretty excited about that. And I definitely recommend you guys following MediTouch Skincare on Instagram and DMing them if you want a personal consultation to see which products are best for your skin type. Definitely recommend. So make sure you guys check out MediTouch Skincare. Again, I'm gonna put the Instagram on the screen, but it will also be down below in the description box. Give them a follow, check out all their products, and if you would like, please go purchase some. I promise it works. And don't forget to check out all my social media links down below as well in the description box. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up if you liked it, and if you didn't, we all have opinions here, so you can give it a thumbs down if you want to, but I don't think you want to. I think you want to give it a big thumbs up. So I really hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I will see you guys in the next one.